Hey everybody, if you're wanting to make some nice polenta, I just made it in the Instant Pot with no oil. So simple. Just use a cup of this polenta, or you could use a medium cornmeal, and then 4 cups of water or broth. That's the basic recipe, is 1 cup of the cornmeal to 4 cups of broth or water. And then I added about 3/4 of a cup of kosher salt here, about the same amount of granulated garlic, some black pepper, and about a 1/2 teaspoon of that dry seasonings of choice. And so what you do is you would set the manual, you press manual, and then it starts at 30, and then you just press this button down till it goes to 9 minutes. So, and then you want to put it on the ceiling, not the venting, but the ceiling. So I've already cooked it. I had put 0 oil in this, and I'm very pleased with the results. As you can see, it's a creamy, quick polenta. The little color in there is from the seasonings, and there was no problem with scorching the bottom of the pan or anything like that with no oil. So I'm very excited. It tastes delicious, and I'm just gonna serve it with some steamed broccoli tonight. I also made some baked tofu. These are fun and flavorful. Maybe put a little sauce on that, but it was nice and comfort food right there. So I hope you guys try it, and you can find the full recipe at vegangal.com. Thanks for watching.